welcome back to my YouTube channel Learn Analytics with Mohit or Knowledge Hub in Analytics. I'm back with my another SQL LeetCode problem solutions. Today we are going to learn medium level of difficulty SQL LeetCode problems. In the previous video I have posted easy level of SQL LeetCode problems, and you can look at my all previous videos. They are on easy level of difficulties, medium level of difficulty, and some videos are on hard level of difficulties. I've also posted 3 videos on SQL intermediate topic, advanced topic, and basic topic. Please go through that so that you will have a clear understanding, broad understanding of SQL. And if you have not liked or subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel so that you will be notified for any future videos. Today we are going to learn these 3 problems such as market analysis 1, 1158, product price at a given date 1164, and immediate food delivery 2. So let's just start with our SQL problems. Market analysis 1. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. So in this we have a table called users, where we have user ID, join date, and favorite brand. Another table is orders table, order ID, order date, item ID, buyer ID, and seller ID. Order ID is the primary key for this table. Item ID is a foreign key for the items table. Buyer ID and seller ID are foreign keys to the users table. So user ID and buyer ID and seller ID are same. Now item ID is there. Write a solution to find for each user the join date. Let me first write select user ID join date and the number of orders they made as a buyer in 2019. If they are showing number of orders, then we will write count distinct of order ID, okay, as orders. Number of orders they made as a buyer in 2019. So we need to join it as a buyer ID. So from users we will take, so we have a users table, name it as U. We will do left join with orders table, name it as O on U dot user ID equals to O dot buyer ID. Let us see what is the output they are saying. See, in the user ID we have 1, 2, 3, 4 users. In the orders ID also we have 1, 2, 3, 4 buyers IDs. User ID 1, buyer ID 1 has made an order in 2019, but they have also made an order in 2018. So the number of orders will be 1. Let us see in the output. Buyer ID 1 has number of orders in 2019 1. For user ID 2, they have made an order in 2019. They have also made another order in 2019. So they have number of orders is 2. For user ID 3, order in 2018, so it will be 0. Order ID 4, order date is 2018, so it will be 4. Now what we will do, we will do group by. Let's use have where clause. If we use where clause, O dot order date or year of order date, let us see, year of order date equals to 2019, group by user ID comma join date, order by user ID. Let us run this query. So something is wrong. In the output we have only 1 and 2. So why it is giving only 1 and 2? Because it has already filtered. We are using where clause. It only considers order date year, where the year is 2019. So that means in the orders table, let us look at in the orders table, 2018 is not considered. So that means order ID 3 or buyer ID 3 and buyer ID 4 are filtered from the table before it performs the select query. So instead of using where, we should use what we should use? We should use AND clause. Now let us run this query. I think it should work. Only the aliases will be the problem. So in the output you can see 1, 2, 3, 4 we got. The name is just buyer ID and orders in 2019 as orders in 2019 and name user ID as buyer ID. Now let me run. Accepted. Submit this. Solved. Okay. Now the next problem is product price at a given date. Here we have products table with product ID, new price and change date as a column. Product ID change date is a primary key for this table. Each row of this table indicates the price of some product was changed to a new price at some date. Write a solution to find the prices of all products on 16th of August 2019. Assume the price of all products before any change is 10. So products table we have product ID 1, new price is 10.20 on 14th August. Product ID same one we have 30th as a price on 15th of August and 16th of August we have 2019. So in the output we want 1 635. Product ID 2 we have price as 50 on 14th of August and price of 65 on 17th of August. So on 16th before any change is 10, so it will remain as same as 50. Product ID 3 price is 20 on 18th of August, so on 16th of August before any change should be 10, so it is retained to be 10. Let us write the query. We will use common table expansion with CTE as select star comma rank over partition by product ID order by change date descending as R from products table P capital products table where change date is less than equals to 2019 16th of August 2019 16th August. Next we have select product ID comma new price as price from CTE where R equals to 1 union select product ID ten as price from products table where product ID not in select product ID from CTE. Now let me run this query. Accepted. You can see in the output we have the same. Now let me submit this. Submitted. Okay. Now moving to the next question. Immediate food delivery to. This is going to be an interesting problem. immediate food delivery to, we have delivery table, delivery ID, customer ID, order date, customer preferred delivery date. If the customer preferred delivery date is the same as the order date, then the order is called immediate, otherwise it is called scheduled. The first order of a customer is the order with the earliest order date that the customer made. How does this to find the percentage of immediate orders in the first orders? That means number of first orders we want to find which are immediate orders. That is which is equals to the first order date equals to the customer preferred delivery date of all customers divided by rounded to two decimal places. So we have this delivery table, order table, immediate or the immediate percentage. So let us write CT clause, we CT as select customer ID, order date, customer preferred delivery date, minimum of order date over partition by customer ID. You want to find minimum order date partition by customer ID, order by order date. So this is your as first order date. Okay, now I'm going to select some case when first order date equals to this one, customer preferred delivery date. Then 1 L0 end. This is the sum divided by count of distinct customer ID. Now this we want in the rounded off two decimal places. So round in percentage we want, so 100 into this, comma 2 from CD. Now this we want as immediate percentage. Immediate percentage. Let me run this. What is the issue? Okay, I have not given from clause here. From delivery table. Now I should run. Now it's accepted correctly. Let's submit this. Accepted. So we solved 3 SQL problems, one on market analysis 1, one on product price at a given date, and immediate food delivery 2. That's all for today's videos. Let's all the best, enjoy, and please like my video and subscribe to my channel. In the next video I'm going to solve easy level difficulties problem, that is this one, 1179, reformat department table, queries quality and percentage, and 1251, that is average selling price. Till date, happy learning, enjoy, all the best, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.